Good afternoon, everyone, especially to all of the panelists, to our practical research advisor, Ms. Tricia Posadas, and to all of our co-researchers. Our research group is here to present our very own research study titled The Impact of Choosing Mung Bean Donuts as Healthier Alternative for the Cravings of Selected Grade 11 Students of Arellano University, Jose Abad Santos. But before we formally begin with our presentation, allow us first to introduce ourselves. My name is Joseph Carvila Roga,
My name is Janela Besa.
I'm Shane Bicapili.
Vanessa May Gonzaga.
Hello, good day to everyone, and I am Toplano Angelo.
and we are the researchers. This study seeks to provide an alternative, healthier option to people who loves to eat unhealthy foods so that they can satisfy their cravings without causing harm. The aim of this study is to determine the impact of choosing mung bean donuts as a healthier alternative for their cravings. Cravings for unhealthy foods have become a significant issue in our society. According to Mr. Petre 2023, there are a lot of reasons why people are craving for a particular food. Because for them, this is the way to calm down themselves from stress or to relieve themselves from stress, because stress, it can be physical or mental stress, and it can also help to solve the problems that they are currently facing. But too much intake of unhealthy foods just to satisfy themselves, to calm down themselves or to solve their problems may also create or generate into another problem. Food is essential and important because it provides nutrients and energy that humans need in their bodies to survive in their daily lives. According to Mr. Crichton Stewart in year 2023, following a healthy diet has many benefits, including building strong bones, protecting the heart, preventing diseases, and boosting the mood. In connection, people should know how to choose the right food that they are going to eat to make sure that it is healthy, because eating healthy foods has a good effect on the brain and heart, and it can also maintain the good health of the body, prolong life, and prevent diseases that can come from the environment or in our society. Vegetables are important due to its high nutritional value and numerous health benefits that can contribute to maintain a healthy body. According to WebMD in year 2022, they are low in calories and high in nutrients, and they are also full of essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that provide many important health benefits to our body or to your body. Vegetables can also improve or can also help to improve digestive health, lower the blood pressure, lower risk of heart disease, and vegetables are also rich in nutrients, high in fiber, and it can control someone's diabetes, maintain the goodness of your eyes, your skin, your heart, brain, blood sugar, and can also decrease the risk of cancer. The edible green beans or seeds known as mung beans are small, green, and round. Here in the Philippines, it is also known as mungo. And according to Mr. Roman R. in year 2023, there are lots of benefits that a human can get or we can get from mung beans, because it includes being rich in fiber, in protein, and it is also essential in vitamins and minerals. A good source of antioxidants, it can also protect you against free radical damage that occurs during heat stroke. And mung beans are also high in fiber and in protein. Too much cravings and consumption of unhealthy foods such as chocolates, donuts, pizzas, and fries, due to several factors, have become a bad habit that may lead to a harmful health condition of a human. This research aims to provide a healthier and alternative option that will satisfy their cravings. Producing Mang Bean donuts will provide cheap, quality of taste, and will also help the cravings of many without consuming unhealthy foods. Mung Bean donuts can help a person to maintain a good healthy condition because it will help to demonstrate antioxidant effects, lower blood glucose levels, lower blood pressure, and aid digestive health. For now, let's have Miss Shane Kapili to discuss the conceptual framework of our research study.
For this part, the aims of conceptual framework is to produce a mumbling donut that can be healthier and alternative option for people. The ingredients that researchers use to produce a mumbling donut are consist of all-purpose milk, margarine, yeast, sugar, condensed milk, egg, salt, oil, water, milk powder, mung bean, cocoa powder, and vanilla extract. After preparing all the ingredients, the procedure of researchers consists of soaking, boiling, mixing, stirring, smashing, kneading, cooking, and dipping. After all the procedure that the researchers have done, the expected output or product is a mung bean donut that can be used as a healthier and alternative option for many that will satisfy their cravings without consuming unhealthy foods. For now, we're going to Miss Gonzaga to discuss the theoretical framework of the research study.
In this part, I'm going to discuss the theory that we use in this study. It is known as the theory of buyer behavior that was written and formulated by Howard Inchette in 1969. The buyer behavior theory stated that there are three elements to a buyer's brand choice decision. We have the set of motives, several alternative courses of action, and the decision mediators by which the motives are matched with alternatives. The connection between the theory of buyer and this study is that it explains the behaviors of consumer every time he buys a specific product in the market. A buyer or consumer buys food according to his motive. If the motive of the consumer is to buy healthy food that can satisfy his cravings, he will do it to satisfy his motive to be satisfied with his cravings while maintaining a healthy body. He can choose from alternative brands a particular food he wants to eat, which one has the best healthy benefits to be had. And this can be answered by gathering information from those people in his surroundings, from the evaluation of those who have tried to alternative brand, and from the nutrients included in the product. After after gathering information in the information obtained from an alternative product should match the consumer's motive or goal to eat a healthy food that can satisfy his cravings. Let us now Miss Bea give us the problem that are stated in the statement of the problem of a study.
This study aims to determine the impact of choosing Mang Bean donuts as a healthier alternative for the cravings of the grade 11 students of Arellano University, Jose Abad Santos. The researchers aim to create a healthier product that can be the alternative of unhealthy foods that satisfy the cravings of the grade 11 students of Arellano University, Jose Abad Santos due to several factors. Specifically, it will answer the following questions. First, what is the profile of the participants in terms of 1.1 age, 1.2 gender, 1.3 year level? Second, what are the preferred foods of grade 11 students of Arellano University, Jose Abad Santos when they are craving? Third, what are the differences between mung bean donuts and the branded products in terms of 3.1 presentation, 3.2 taste? And lastly, What are the advantage and benefits of choosing Mang Bean donuts as an alternative option to satisfy your cravings? And for the next part of our study, we're going to have Mr. Toplano, Miss Capili, and Miss Passion to discuss the beneficiaries of this study, or who are the people, either individuals, groups of people, or organizations, who are going to gain benefits from the result of this study.
In this part of our study, it focuses on the impact of mung bean donuts as healthier alternative product to satisfy people's cravings. Moreover, our group believes that the result of this research study will be a great help or benefit to the following people, group of people or organizations. Economy. The result of this study will help to boost the economy by creating job opportunities, reducing unemployment, and generating more taxes for workers involved in manufacturing similar products to Mang Bean Donuts. Entrepreneurs. The result of this research will benefit to assist entrepreneurs in developing innovative, healthy, and alternative products that cater cater to market demand, um, thereby enabling them to stay ahead of competitors and satisfy the cravings of their target audience.
Hospitals. The outcome of this research study will help to reduce the number of patients suffering from health issues due to unhealthy food choices, focusing on those who truly need hospital services. By promoting healthier alternatives, the study aims to decrease the number of patients seeking checkups due to their improved health outcomes. Doctors. The outcome of this study will benefit doctors to recommend healthier alternatives to satisfy patients and their unhealthy cravings due to excessive consumption of unhealthy foods. This could lead to a study on healthier alternatives to traditional foods, ensuring health and safety for patients.
Use. This study is significant for the youth as it offers a healthier option for satisfying cravings without compromising their health. It emphasizes the importance of nutrition, which includes protein and vitamins, in, in ensuring the youth can easily satisfy their cravings without negatively impacting their health. Uh, Research teachers. The results of the study will help the research teachers so that they can focus on studying food to find solutions to current problems problems as assigning students products more studies on healthier options that will satisfy people's craving with thereby fostering innovation in food related or businesses related research. Future researches. The research, the research study results will greatly benefit future researchers by facilitating easier study conduct and providing new knowledge and finding improvements. For the next part, for the next part of our study, let's have Miss Besha and Miss Gonzaga to discuss the scope and delimitation of this study.
So, for the scope of our study, this study will cover the creation of Mang Bean donuts as a healthier alternative to food cravings without eating unhealthy foods. This study will help the grade 11 students of Arellano University, Jose Abad Santos, in terms of making a wise decision on choosing the healthier alternative for the foods that they are craving that will satisfy and help them gain various health benefits.
If we have scope, we also have delimitation. And for the delimitation of this study, the primary subjects of this research will consist of grade 11 students enrolled in academic year 2020-22 to 2020-23 and will be randomly selected by the researchers. The participants will be limited to only 10 grade 11 students who are in a batch 1 section of senior high school at Arellano University o Sihabad Santos campus in the city of Pasay. For the last part of this research study, let's have Mr. Toplano to read us to some terms and their use in this presentation.
The following terms are defined based on their use in this research study. Cravings. This refers to the strong desires of people based on their preferences. This can cause someone to have bad health condition if they are not able to control themselves, which will result in eating unhealthy foods to satisfy their cravings. Mangbin. It is a type of vegetable that is used by researchers to innovate new products. Mangbin donuts. This refers to the product of this study that was innovated by the researchers as a healthier alternative food to satisfy the cravings of many without eating unhealthy foods.
And here is the list of sources or those from which we obtained the information used in our research study. And this is where the presentation of our research study ends. Again, thank you so much for watching our video presentation about our study titled The Impact of Choosing Mangbing Donuts as Healthier Alternative for the Cravings of Selected Grade 11 Students of Arellano University, Jose Abad Santos. Thank you and have a good day.